Hello, this is Daniel from Josh and Danny SEO. We spoke earlier on the phone. So right now, I'm just going to go through your website a little bit, kind of go, show you what Google's looking for, to help rank you for the top pages, so people organically see you the most. So right from the start, I love um, your icon right over here. It actually looks really nice. You have, everything that you need here right in a row, which is good. Only thing I don't see here is a click to call button, with your number on it. So as we scroll down, yes, I do see it over here. It's not really a click to call. Actually, it is. My apologies. And then you have get your free estimate. Awesome. So I actually love this background picture. You're doing really great with that. Very good job on having your number throughout the page so that people can automatically click it, wherever they are. Um, just going through, you're hitting a lot of good stuff, a lot of good points over here. Um, you got your drywall painting, remodeling with a bit of an explanation, doing an excellent job, and you're kind of going through. So you're doing really well with that. You have a great little website over here. You do show a little bit of the map here, and then you have this message board over here, so people can easily send you a message, which is great. Um, but then we get lower, and you have everything here. This is a really good site. Only thing I really got is, obviously structure can be a little bit better, but Google also wants you to have about, 1,500 keyword words on the website. It's about 2,000 words on here in order for them to, help you rank a lot more. So, if you got that in here, maybe touch up just a little bit. Honestly speaking, you're looking at a killer website. But let's go to the overview. This is Ahrefs, one of the tools we actually use. So, we have your UR rating, which is basically your strength as a domain or as a website, and then you have your DR rating, which is basically the trust that Google gives you. So right now, you really want these two to be at about 30 to 40, with them being almost, 1 to 1. So, ratioed that way. The way you get that number to the 30s and 40s is you got to have good backlinks, right? So the more backlinks you have, the better these are, but not all backlinks are created equal. One, some of them are spammy. They don't get back to you. So a backlink is where you have your website link somewhere else on the internet where somebody will click and it'll lead back to you. Right now, you only have 12 referring domains, so out of those 61, only 12 lead back to you. And like I said, some are spammy, so they're not good. Some are a good authority, so we want to make sure we're getting strong websites. Now, the other thing we're going to look at is your organic keywords. So you have 26 of them. So these are what people search for organically. You got to think of what the customer is thinking about. What are they putting into Google? But you're only getting 14 traffic out of your entire website per month. So only 14 people are hitting you up. So let's actually take a look at your keywords. So a lot of your keywords seem to be, your top ones especially, are just what you already do. These are a little bit about your name, SNL painting, SNL nails, but you got drywall repair Katie. So it looks like you're also going for drywall. You got painting and Katie, but you got to look at the volume here, right? These numbers are big. So you got some great keywords here. Painting Katy, Texas. These people are searching for somebody to help them paint. And there's a decent volume for that in Katy, Texas. The only issue I find here is you're not getting any traffic because you're on the second, third, and fourth page of Google. So no one's actually seeing your website to be able to click on these keywords. If we go a little further, we got Katy Painting 200. Again, we're all over the fourth and fifth page for all of your keywords. Katy Painters, you have some amazing keywords in here, Juan. We're just not really getting any traction because of where you are ranking. So let's take a look at some of your competition, right? I'm going to just type in painters, Katy, Texas, right? That's one of the bigger keywords we're looking for. Now, right up here, we got your Google Ads. So these are people who paid for those quick results. If you're not ranking very well, but you're working toward it, they'll pay that money to be there. Then you have your map pack. So this is where people are located. You want to definitely get in here, top three especially, because about 40% of everyone searching for anything on Google is going to click on one of these top three people here. Now there's a multitude of ways to get in there. If you're interested, we can always talk about that a little bit later. But let's go to the organic search. These are what people are actually, they're going to scroll down and they're going to look for. So we got Yelp, Home Advisor, Angie. I'm not really going to search for those, but I am going to click on these guys. So KatyPainting.net, this is your first person in the competition area. These are going to be your direct competitors. So we're going to go through. They have almost a very similar website to you. They got their logo on the left side, they got their home about service gallery contact, but then let's go through, right? So you got painting company in Katy, Texas. So you have some keywords, they do have their click to call here. And then they got some cute pictures here. And, they talk a little bit about what it is, about what they're doing. Still not really a lot about what their services are on the front. And then we get to it. So we're talking a little bit about them again, and then nothing. So we have, a number to call, but we don't have like that page that says, hey, input your info or anything like that. You have to click on that in order to get it. So again, they don't even have probably 100 words on this page, maybe 150 words on this page. So easily something to really pass them by, even though they're in the fourth, fifth position there. But let's take a look at them and see what's going on behind the rank. So they have a decent ratio rating here. Like their domain is good, it's strong. They're at 14, sure, but their trust is at 19 because they have about 5.4 thousand backlinks, but only 72 referring. So they got the backlinks, they just don't have any good ones. So, they're just randomly not doing much. But then look at their keywords. They also only have 40 keywords, but they're ranking so well with the keywords that they're pulling in 205 people a month just for that. So actually, let's take a look at those keywords. So Katy Painting, Katy Painter, 200, 200, Katy Painting Texas, Katy Painter. So they have the same exact keywords as you do. The only difference is they're pulling traffic because they're in the first, third, and fifth position. They're getting all of the traffic because they're right there at the top. And just because, so they're ranking really good for that. The drywall repair, Katy, no, they're not really ranking. They're on like second, third, fourth, and fourth page for that. But a lot of their keywords are pretty good. And they're actually they're able to capitalize on that. So if we were looking at you, right, how can we help you get better? All we would need to do is just increase your backlinks and get a couple more referring domains, a lot more referring domains to help boost your rating with Google over here. Get about 1,500 to 2,000 words on your homepage so that Google will actually take the time to go through it. Get a lot more of those organic keywords up there so you can rank higher and then pull your traffic. Hey, if you were pulling in 200 people throughout this website alone, what would that do for you? That's all I got for you, Juan. I really hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, of course, reach out. If not, hey, that's awesome. But hey, you have an amazing day, man. Good luck.